you can trade a 1 or a 2 regular lot position, and if you're making 23 pips a day, you're going to be making 200 to 230. If you make 30 pips a day, you're going to be making $300. So yes, it's absolutely possible, but it's risky if you don't have the skills to follow the plan. And everybody forgets that part of the letter. If you remember the letter, the key to everything was being able to follow the plan. That's why I've got this webinar series going. That's why you're able to pick up the phone and call me, because the absolute undoing of two of the largest, two rather large blowups was the inability for traders to stick with the plan and utilize basic trading skills. So, why is it risky? Well, here's why. Because if you've got $2,500 in an account and lose $100, you're down 4%, and a $500 loss is a 20% loser. That's a huge portion of the account. And when you start losing big percentages like that, they can really start stacking up mentally, and they make sticking to the plan even harder. You get the urge to jump out of winners just so you can bank the profits. So you may have a position that goes in your favor, 10, 15, 16, 17 pips. So instead of letting it go, you just take the whole thing off. Especially if you see it go, you have 5 pips, 7, 10, 14, 15, then you go back down to 13, 10. You start thinking, oh, great, this is going to go all the way back down to break even, so you get out. And it's not because the market was telling you to get out. It was because of the pain of the losses are urging you. In your mind, you're thinking, I've just got to take the profits. I've got to bank a winner. So before you try and make money in a small account, make sure you can make money in a demo account. I can guarantee you one thing. If you can't make money on a demo, you're not going to make money on a live account. That's just the way the world works. Once you go to a real account, well, you can trade micro or mini lots just to see how well you react to making and losing money. And then once you've proven yourself, that's when you can go for the big money with a watchful eye. You can go and start trading more aggressively, but you've got to keep an ironclad grasp on what you're doing as far as your plan. Are you sticking to the plan? Are you letting the profits run? Are you cutting the losers short? Are you making sure that if there isn't any momentum in the market that you're just getting out instead of sticking around? All of those are very, very important. So, the ultimate solution really is that thinking your money will somehow save you is just pure rookie thinking. I've just given you proof positive in 2 very large cases that even unlimited amounts of money weren't able to save a couple of traders and a couple of big funds. The plan really is very simple. All you have to do is follow it and be patient. And seriously, folks, doctors, lawyers, dentists, chiropractors, all these people take decades to really earn good money. So cut yourself some slack. If you understand the insider code that the market is showing you, you're going to shave those decades down to months. And like I say in the course, realistically, who cares if it takes you a year? Okay, I was on the phone with a gentleman today. He was 74 years old. And I gave him the same talking to, that he can't go too fast. I understand that we all have this urge and sometimes a very important need to make money. And I will say this, that if you've purchased a course for several $1,000s and you've only got a couple of $100s to trade with, please don't. It's absolutely unrealistic to think, and it would be virtually criminal for me to try and tell you that you can go out and make a couple of $100s a day. I mean, that would be equivalent to making 100 or 200% on your money every single day. It's just not realistic. There's no system that I know of out there that will do that. I don't even know of any market that will reliably do that. And that's to say that, above all, remember, this isn't a job or a guarantee. The numbers are averages.